Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Friends, today we are here in Greenview Nursery and Seeds, and this is the largest nursery in Kolkata on Adenium, and you can learn everything about growing and caring of Adenium, as well as you can buy every kind of Adenium, different types of rosy Adeniums, more than 150 varieties of rosy Adenium grafting, and more than 100 varieties of single petal single color Adenium also. Here I'll show you the 7 steps of growing Adenium. This is the first step, and you have to collect seeds from the Adenium plants, and you can see some horn like shaped seed pods are here. You have to collect seeds, and those seeds you have to grow in sand or river sand. And second step, these are I'm showing, this is the seeds raised in sand or river sand. This is 1 month old seedlings, and after 1 month you can see this is the seedling here, and you can keep it in up to 3 months here in sand, and then you have to transplant in another mixture I am showing you. This is the third step. Here you can see they transplanted in 3-inch pot grow bag, and the media is only plain river sand, white river sand, and mixed with a little bit of some bone meal, horn meal, these kinds of material. And this is the third step, and this is the white sand, white river sand. This is the growing media of this little seedlings, and you have to keep it up to 1 year. You have to keep it, and here after 1 year you will see the plants will be around 6 inches tall, and then you can transplant. This is the step 4, 1 year old rootstock seedlings, and this is the rootstock seedlings where you can graft on these seedlings. You can graft the desired variety of rosy variety. You can see the codex of these plants, and now I'll show you the grafting process. From the grafting process, first is collection of some scion from the rosy variety, and Mr. Sanjoy Mondal is collecting some scion from the rosy variety. You can see there are more than 150 varieties of rosy variety, and these are all mother plants. More than 100 varieties of this rosy variety of mother plants are marked and numbered, and they graft it properly and they sell it after grafting the plants. And now number step is grafting. This is the seedling plant, around 1 year old seedling plant, and they will graft you. They will show you the grafting, and the first step is you have to cut the top portion and you have to graft the scion portion. And here they will show you the 2 types of grafting. First is a tablet grafting, another is V-grafting. Before that you have to remove the lower side leaves of this Adenium, and Mr. Sanjoy Mondal, expert in this field, and he is the owner of this Greenview nursery, removing the flower. And now he will cut the tablet portion of the around 1 inch length of this cut. You can see this is the around 1 inch or lower type of this cutting here, and this is the seedling plant. This is the rootstock plant, and here the rosy variety of graft will be grown here. Just maintain the polarity. Upper part should be at the upper side, and the lower part should touch the cutting here. And after that you have to bind there is a knot here, and you have to cover it with a plastic, and then you have to bind it with a girder. You have to tightly bind it with a girder so that no air enters into it. And this is the grafting process is complete, and you have to keep it around 1 month in this condition inside, and after 1 month you have to remove the plastic and the plant will grow. Another sort of grafting I'll show you. This is another seedling plant, rootstock plant, and here the same plant, same graft. This is the plant that just collected the scion that will be grafted, but in this time this is the V grafting. Just see with the sharp blade making a V here, and the middle portion is removed here from here, V grafting. And here the another scion, this is the scion, and you have to make another V here. Just see how he's giving a cut here, V shaped cut, and after giving a cut he'll place it on the cut portion of this rootstock. Just see, this is the V scion portion of this rosy variety, and this is the seedling of the single petal seedling. And here you'll bind it a tape here. You have to tightly bind a tape, maybe grafting tape or from some of the carry bag tape. You have to bind it tightly, and you have to cover it in another plastic bag, and you have to keep it around 1 month time in under shade. and in 1 month time you will see the grafting process will be complete, and new branches will come out, new leaves will come out, and the plant grafting will be complete. Just see what, just watch the entire process. Tightly bind this plastic here, and after that you have to give it a knot here, and you see how knots is giving here. A knot is tightly given here, and grafting, this tape binding is almost complete. Now it will be covered with some plastic cover. Just see how plastic cover is covered here. This is the plastic cover is making, and after putting it you have to bind with string here with or some garter here, so that no air can pass inside it. And in 1 month time, after 1 month you have to remove all this, and in the meantime you have to water the soil around in every week. You have to water the soil, and this is the two types of grafting process is over. These are the basic grafting process done here, and you can get lots of varieties of grafting. You see lots of grafting is there, and after that number is given for each plant, each graft. Proper numbering is here. There are some lots of some brochure also. You can buy plants, and these are the plants, and in 1 month time they will be completed. In 2 to 3 months time they will be ready for us. These are the all rootstock plants, and after 1 month you can see this is the conditions here, and new branches are coming out, new leaves are coming out, and this is the grafting process is complete. And you can transplant in it 5-inch pot or 8-inch pot, and depending on the media. There are lots of video in my channel where you can see the how you can grow in huge media. You can grow in basically from cocoa peat, some rice husk, on some cocoa peat, vermicompost, rice husk. This kinds of media is fine for Adenium. In perlite also, vermiculite also you can use. And this is the media. This is the plants are complete. Now he is showing you multi-grafting. Here is the multi-grafting plants, around 2 years old plant, and from 5 to 6 multi-graft is done in each plant, and from each stem you can get different types of flower, from rosy variety of flowers. From if these are the grafting process, grafts are done just around 1.5 months back. This grafting process is done, and in a 2 or 3 month time you will see there is a flowering will start, and you can see 5 to 6 or 7 varieties of rosy flowers, different varieties of flowers from each plant. This you can see 7 grafting is here. So you can visit. I will give you in description box his number, telephone number, and all contact details of this Sanjoy Kr Mondal. See, nursery name is Greenview Nursery, and some seeds. So you can contact them, and this is all. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.